What's up, everybody? Lego Builder here. Welcome back to another Blizzard review. This time, got something special. It's the Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard. So let's give a taste. See how it tastes. Here we go. Mmm. Delicious. You can see how colorful this cookie blizzard really is. Now that's really good. So this blizzard, made out of frosted animal cookies, blend in with DQ soft serve. Gonna have another taste. This blizzard looks amazing. Very yummy. I enjoy this blizzard very, very much. Okay, yeah. It tastes like frosted animal cookies. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Try this blizzard because it's so good, so yummy. So what's the next blizzard, and what do you want me to try the next blizzard for the videos? Let me know in the comments below and tell me what you want me to try next of the flavor. So anyways, guys, see you next time for another DQ Blizzard reviews. Bye for now.